High-quality, industrial-grade wire brushes from Pearl. We got them all, from knot cup to knot end brush. Our brushes are high tensile strength wire, available in tempered and stainless wires. Durable hub construction, wire density, resistance to wire breakage. Great for deburring, cleaning, and removing rust, scale, and paint on metal surfaces. Offering 3 levels of quality. The EXV series, our value performance brushes. Standard grade and premium grade wire brushes. High quality industrial grade wire brushes from Pearl. Get yours today. To learn more, please call us or visit our website.